Imagine having an investing app that promises everything from stocks and ETFs to crypto and even automated portfolios all in one place. Sounds like the future of investing, right? But here's the real question. Is SoFi Invest in 2025 actually a smart way to grow your money, or just another risky platform wrapped in shiny marketing? That's exactly what we're going to figure out today. SoFi Invest has built a reputation as one of the most beginner-friendly platforms out there. The moment you log in, you're greeted with a clean, modern design that doesn't overwhelm you with complex charts and numbers. It offers automated investing, meaning you can let their system build and manage a portfolio for you, while also giving you the freedom to trade individual stocks, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies if you want more control. That flexibility is rare in one app, and it's part of why SoFi has captured so much attention. Another big win is how affordable it is. There are no account minimums, and their automated portfolios don't charge an advisory fee, which makes it super attractive for people who are just starting out or don't want to see their returns eaten up by costs. Plus, SoFi bundles in access to financial advisors, which is something you usually pay extra for elsewhere. For many beginners, that's an incredible deal. But the app isn't without its downsides. While SoFi offers crypto, it doesn't support as many advanced order types or tools as dedicated trading platforms like Plus Trade or Fidelity. If you're an experienced investor who needs in-depth research reports or sophisticated charting tools, you might find SoFi a little too basic. Also, some reviews point out that while customer service is improving, it still lags behind industry leaders when it comes to speed and responsiveness. Security is another area worth mentioning. SoFi Invest is regulated, and your investments are protected under SIPC insurance, so you don't have to worry about your funds vanishing. But like any online investment platform, especially one offering crypto, you still need to be cautious and make sure you're using strong security practices on your account. So who is SoFi Invest really for? If you're just getting started with investing, or if you want a platform that's simple, affordable, and still gives you exposure to multiple asset classes, it's a fantastic option. On the other hand, if you're a seasoned trader looking for advanced features and more control, you might feel a bit limited. So at the end of the day, SoFi Invest in 2025 is definitely worth it for beginners and casual investors looking for a low-cost way to enter the world of investing. But for the pros out there, it may feel more like training wheels than a full racing bike. Now it's your turn. Do you think SoFi's simplicity is exactly what new investors need? Or do you believe serious investing requires a more advanced platform? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. And if this review helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more honest reviews like this one.